Track 18, Part 1. Good morning. I'm here today to talk about the design and the success of smartphones. They are convenient and they allow us to keep control of our lives. One important reason why I think smartphones are so successful is because of their simple, clean design. Of course, there are many different brands, but let's look at a common example on this picture. First of all, on the front of the phone, we have the glass touchscreen, also known as the display. It's very easy. You only need to press your finger on this when you want to use an app. Next, on the top right side of the smartphone is the power button. You use this to turn the phone on or off again. At the bottom, there is a USB input. This is where you plug in and charge your phone. You can also connect to a laptop and upload your files and photos from your phone. You will see just above this is the microphone. Whenever you make a call, you speak into this. At the opposite end of the touchscreen, you can see the power bar, which you can look at to check the battery. If the bar is low, you'll need to plug it in and charge it again soon. Around the phone on the outside, keeping all of this in place, is the case, sometimes made from plastic, but now more often made of metal. Many people think that the reason for the case is so that they can have a different design and color and make it more personal. Actually, every phone needs a good, strong case to protect the phone from breaking.